Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to check the description box of a YouTube video. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube video where you want to see the description. On mobile, tap on the video title just below the video. You will see an option that says More. Tap it and the description will expand. If the description is long, scroll down and press More again to read the entire content. On a computer, it's even easier. Simply look right below the video title, and you will see the description box. Click on Show More to expand it and view all the details. And that's it. Now you know how to check the description box on YouTube from both mobile and desktop.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.